come my way. Where do you go?
Hey guys, it's Shamar and
y'all know who I am, Pico/Babe.
And welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys a skincare routine you guys have been asking. Even though I already have one up on my channel, I did add a couple things to my skincare routine. He also does the same skincare routine because everything I do he follows, honey.
Whatever.
And the melanin is good over here, okay?
Yes,
so we have a new little routine that we wanted to show you guys, kind of what we do to keep our skin radiant and the melanin popping and clear, because you know your girl got some good skin and he got some okay skin, you know. I did want to say shout out to this company, Duvolle, for sending over their Radiance Spin Care System. This brush came in so handy because before we had a different technique that we were kind of using to exfoliate our skin and, you know, get the dirt off. But this gets in there and do the job. I'll tell you guys more about it when we're actually using the product. But I just wanted to shout out the company. It is called Duvolle, and all the information will be down below in the description. So let's get into the video.
Lego.
Alright guys, so to start off, you want to make sure that your hands are clean, so you need to wash them. And I do make my own DIY face mask using organic turmeric that I picked up from Walmart and tea tree essential oils. So both of these components have very good benefits for the skin. The turmeric helps with fighting off acne, soothing dry skin, reducing stretch marks or even dark spots, which I have uneven skin tone, so I use that to like even that out. And then the tea tree oil comes in and, you know, calms the skin. And it also helps remove spots and acne scars and stuff like that. So I mix them both together in this bowl and use an old makeup brush that I had and just apply that to the face. Now the tea tree oil is very strong. You guys make sure not to get this in your eye because it did have us tearing up and our nose running. So just be careful with that. And another thing too, it also stains. I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with the spice curry, but turmeric is a part of that. And if you eat curry, you know how that can stain your hands and your nails and stuff. So just be careful with that.
You got me, boy. Oh. Look at my eyes.
Yeah, as you can see, my boyfriend was not happy about the tea tree oil because, y'all, it had us tearing up, y'all. It's something serious. Okay, you guys, so now we're going to go in with the Radiance Spin Care System from Duvolle. It is waterproof, so it's ideal for using in the shower, and it does come with interchangeable brush head.
That mint was so good.
Is that right?
Yeah.
I hope it does the same for me, dog. Hope it does the same for me. Oh, so you let it do its thing.
Yeah.
You go with it.
What you do?
So little do you know, boy.
You be going against it, huh?
I go against it. I make that shit stop sometimes.
She's so frustrated.
The soap that I'm using on my face is the Dr. Bronner's peppermint soap. It is all organic and it's like perfect for the skin because it helps smooths out your skin tone. And honestly, that soap is the bomb.com. Y'all need to try it.
Playboy time, it's my time, now it's shine, alright?
So this spin care system does come with interchangeable brush attachments. It has a large body brush, facial cleansing brush, facial exfoliating brush, and a pumice stone. I gave my boyfriend one of the cleansing brush and I took the exfoliating brush because I didn't want us to share brush heads because of, you know, bacteria and stuff. After using this brush, my face felt so clean and so smooth, you guys. I was obsessed.
Keep the hidden glow of your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System. Deeply cleanse your skin with the Radiance Spin Care System rotated movement to achieve cleaner, more vibrant skin.
So I was just showing you guys how the body brush and the pumice stone looks. I do use both of them in the shower as well. Once you're all done exfoliating your skin, you do want to go in with some warm water just to rinse your face, and then use a paper towel to damp your face. I don't know why he's so rough with his skin. But then I'm going to take my witch hazel spray. I love this thing. Spray this all over my face. It does hydrate the skin, and I do use it throughout the day as well. I'm going in with some cotton ball and just wiping my face because there's always leftover dirt even after you wash your face. So this just goes in and tones your skin and removes all that excess dirt that was left behind. Then I'm going to take my Holy Grail product, which is the Cortisone 10. This is amazing if you have dry skin. This is like I cannot live without product. I love it so much. It moisturizes my skin, and it's honestly my secret to keeping my skin how it is. It moisturizes and leaves your skin feeling so good. If you have dry skin, you need to check this out. And yeah guys, that's it for our skincare routine. Not too much, but I think it's perfect for the skin. So try it and let me know what you think down below.
Hi guys, I'm Shamar and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys...
You ain't introducing me, so let's start over. It's Shamar featuring Pico / Babe.
You won't say that. Not me. Ready?